Pick up. To collect or to go and get someone or something. Check in. To report your arrival, ESP, at an airport or hotel, so that you can get the service you are paying for. Check out. To pay your bill, return your room key, and leave a hotel. See someone off. To go to the place that S1 is leaving from in order to say goodbye to them. Get away. To go somewhere to have a holiday, often because you need to rest. Take off. To spend time away from your work. Stop over. To stay at a place for one night, or a few nights on the way to somewhere else. Look forward to doing something. To feel pleased and excited about something that is going to happen. Touchdown. To land at an airport. Hold someone/something up. To delay someone or something. Get off. To leave a train, bus, or aircraft. Look around. To visit a local place and look at the things in it.